Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do simple and inexpensive landscaping that doesn't cost you an arm and a leg but makes your house look very good. The first step is that you go and get yourself a spray paint. Any color would do, the brighter the better, and then you would spray the spray paint. Make sure you shake it and spray the outline of the area that you want to do the landscaping. The curvature or straight is up to you. The second step is that you go and get yourself this GroundClear. This is the strongest and the best to kill anything in its sight. All the weed, all the grass, you would spray in your area of landscape. So after you waited a day or two for the weed and the grass to die in the area of your landscaping, you would edge. You would do about 4 to 6 inches of edging around your curve, the outline of your landscaping, and also you would dig holes different size to match the size of the plants. Small holes for the small plants and larger holes for the larger plant, as you can see that I have done over here. And then you would put the plant into the hole to make sure that it fits. Now we would use some Miracle-Gro plant food and shake it into the hole. And then you would fill the hole full of water. So that the soil will be moist and the roots of the plant will be refreshed once we put it inside the hole. The last step is the mulching. This is a pretty simple step. You just choose the color and the kind of mulch that you like and put it on top. Now, of course, you can see my landscaping. I choose to keep it simple and more tropical. Obviously, if you choose to add more flower to your landscaping, there are plenty of spaces that you can put in between. I know that my plants will grow over time and it gets bigger, so I leave enough space in between for them to grow, and I like mine kind of simple and tropical. All the material that I use, from the GroundClear to the Miracle-Gro, I will put it in the links down by the description so that you know what kind I use. Let me know what you think.